Congratulations! You've completed one of the library workshops. We hope that you learned something new to increase your knowledge about the library or to develop your skills as an evaluator and researcher. If you scored 80% or higher, you will receive a badge notification. It can take up to 3 business days for scoring, so please be patient. Remember, weekends and holidays are not business days. The library offers many options for badges, so feel free to explore the website. If you completed this workshop as a class assignment, your instructor may have asked you to provide proof as an upload to Canvas. This short video will walk you through the necessary steps. On your Canvas Fullerton Library College Workshops homepage, select Grades. Your screen will look slightly different since it will show all of the workshops, but the process is the same. Toward the right side of the page, select Print Grades. On the right side of the print pop-up, use the drop-down menu for Destination and select Save as PDF. Give your PDF a title and save. If you complete more than one workshop, you will need to save your grades for each one. If you have any questions about how to save your grades, please feel free to contact Lugene Rosen, the online learning librarian at lrosen@fullcall.edu. Have a wonderful day.